More than 100 frontline workers received that first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Health officials say there is a light at the end of the tunnel, but caution, we are still in surging pandemic numbers. December 14th, 2020, a day that will go down in medical history. 9 months into the pandemic, hope was found in thousands of vials delivered to Methodist Dallas Monday morning.
It's a huge first step, a day that I didn't even think would be coming this quickly.
One by one, hospital workers lined up to get their voluntary shot. Teresa Mata is an environment service worker. Mata cleans emergency rooms and was the first in North Texas to receive the vaccine.
I want to take the risks because I am diabetic for 13 years. So I work in this hospital. I love my job. But I want to protect us person, and I want to protect my family, and I want to protect myself.
Frontline workers who are at the greatest risk of exposure were the first wave of employees to get vaccinated. Diana Alonzo is an emergency room nurse.
You know, I'm doing this for me and my family, but by far from my mom.
Zachary Dreyfus, an ICU physician.
Shot went fine, I feel fine, and I just want to get back out there and get back into the trenches.
Public trust with vaccines in minority communities are historically lower than their white counterparts. Vanessa Mongery is a COVID unit nurse. She wanted to get vaccinated to help restore trust.
So they can see me and know that I'm okay, that they can get the vaccine as well.
Tuesday, Parkland Hospital and UT Southwestern Medical Center in Dallas and Texas Health Fort Worth will receive their vaccine shipments.
We know that this is the beginning of the end. This is not the end.
Parkland will receive a little more than 5,000 doses Tuesday. Dr. Joseph Chang is the chief medical officer at the hospital. He will be one of the first at Parkland to get vaccinated Tuesday. Chang says the hospital will do about 600 vaccinations a day this week.
And we would expect that we would get through at least our first 3 groups within 3 weeks. And we anticipate that that would be all of our frontline workers, both in the hospital and in our clinics.
A common phrase used by health workers is the beginning of the end. People are still encouraged to wear masks and use social distancing. But this day brings hope.
It brings a lot of hope. I think that's the biggest thing. I think it brings hope to us for the front line. It brings hope to the families that I've seen, devastated by this.
So as we mentioned, 3 North Texas hospitals will get the vaccine tomorrow. Baylor Scott and White tells us they will get the vaccine sometime Wednesday and hopefully administer shots starting Thursday. Clarice?
Hope indeed. Stephen Dial Live, thank you.